Spiced lamb balls. A main dish from Burkina Faso. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. In a large skillet, sauté yellow onions with cinnamon, ginger, garlic powder, crushed red peppers, coriander, and salt and peanut oil until the onions soften but are not yet brown. Step 2. Cut the cooked lamb into 1-inch pieces and mix with the onion mixture. Put through the meat grinder once using a coarse blade. Step 3. Blend 3 large eggs beaten lightly in cracker or bread crumbs into the mixture. Form into small 1-inch balls and dip in bread or cracker crumbs. Chill for 1 hour. Step 4. Deep fat fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until brown, for about 4 minutes. Step 5. Spear balls with toothpicks and place in a chafing dish. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.